Welcome back to the channel. Looking to reach a global audience with your videos? In this video, we're diving into the 5 best AI-powered subtitle generators that can help you translate, transcribe, and elevate your content with ease. Subtitles aren't just for accessibility. They're powerful tools to increase viewer engagement, boost watch time, and make your content truly international. Whether you're on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or anywhere else, these tools can help you break language barriers and speak to the world. Foafilora. Filmora is a powerful offline video editor that also offers automatic speech-to-text transcription. Just drag your video onto the timeline, right-click, and choose speech-to-text. With support for over 26 languages including English, Spanish, Hindi, French, and more, Filmora makes subtitle generation simple and accurate. Plus, you can easily customize font styles, add animations, and export or import SRT files for added flexibility. Next is VED. VED is a user-friendly online subtitle translator that offers both real-time transcription and multilingual translation options. Whether you want single or bilingual subtitles, VED supports multiple subtitle formats like VTT, SRT, and TXT. With customizable font styles and text animations, it's perfect for content creators who want speed, accuracy, and style all in one. Third on the list, CapCut. CapCut is well known for TikTok editing, but it also features auto-captioning to help you generate subtitles quickly. While its language support is a bit more limited, mainly English and Chinese, it's still a solid tool for adding direct subtitles to short-form videos. Especially if you're targeting music or viral content, CapCut is lightweight and efficient. Coming in at number 4 is Capwing. Capwing supports subtitle generation in over 70 languages. With just a few clicks, you can automatically create subtitles and even control how many words appear per line using an intuitive slider. Capwing also includes a variety of preset text effects to help your captions stand out visually. And finally, Mediaio. Mediaio is an all-in-one online editor that supports video translation and subtitle generation directly in your browser. While it's feature-rich, there's a catch. Subtitle translation isn't free and costs $4.99 per hour. Plus, its speed is slightly slower compared to others on this list. Still, it's a convenient choice if you want simple web-based tools with added functionality for audio and video editing. Whether you're trying to increase your reach or just improve accessibility, using AI subtitle generators is a game-changer. These 5 tools, Filmora, VED, CapCut, Capwing, and Mediaio, each offer unique features that can help you create more inclusive and engaging content. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more editing tips and tools. Press the notification button as well. See you in the next one.